Hello everyone, just wanted to share with you this great and exciting information to everyone waiting for the parents and grandparents sponsorship program. This year, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada intends to accept up to 10,000 complete applications for sponsorship under the PGP program. This update on the Parents and Grandparents program was just recently released, March 7, 2025, because Canada understands that family reunification is an important part of Canada's immigration system. PGP aims to help Canadian citizens and permanent residents sponsor their loved ones to work and live with them in Canada through the Parents and Grandparents program. The Government of Canada is committed to reuniting as many families as possible. More details and further updates about the 2025 PGP program intake, including information about when the invitation to apply will be sent to you, will be made available in the coming months. So stay tuned for our next update. I will see you, God willing, on my next video.